Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday is the favorite day of the week because it's Friday freebie. I am gifting you a selection of freebie. It's free printable for you guys to download and print and create any project, any junk journal for card making, gift tags, anything that you guys want. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. On Monday, I'm sure it was on Monday, I shared some ephemera I made using my VIP September VIP digital papers. It's a collection. It's basically a subscription service. You get at least 2 kits every month from the month you join. I send them at the beginning of the month, so you get them into your email address. You don't have to do anything. You always also get 20% off nominated discount that you can use for the entire year from the date that you join, across anything on my website. That's including sale as well. And also, if you want to purchase the VIP lounge for somebody else as a present, you get 20% off on top of that. Okay, which is a lot of money. So if you guys are interested, I will put the links down below. I have lots of feedback about the existing VIP members of the subscription that you guys love it. On Monday I show you this month 3 kits. You always get at least 2. Some months you get 3. This month at 3. Last month there were 3 as well. So I tend to vary. But before I show you the freebie and also what I made again, let me show you the kit. So for September, the VIP members get 3 digital collections. 1 is a full kit and 2 are minis. I'm going to start with the minis first, and then we're going through the big one. So the first one is called Fancy Stones, and I'll tell you the story about it. In Italy, there are lots of this mosaic floor, of course, without the flowers. And this reminded me of that. A lot of houses, especially not vintage, but house had been built about the 70s, around the 70s, had this floor. So you've got the cement and then all these different stones. So what I have done, I have used the color on the stone. So the white on here, for example, I used the white, this terracotta, this navy, and this gray, and I created these flowers on top. So everything blend because the flowers have the same colors of the stone. Can you see? So you've got white, this terracotta, the navy with the navy, and on each one I then added an extra color that I thought would go well with it. On this paper, the flowers are this really nice lilac flowers. Okay, page number 2 is again really nice mosaic floor with some blue, terracotta, and some green. So that's the extra color. This like it's between a teal and an olive green. I think it's all blend together. Page number 3, which is absolutely my favorite. I do like the color combination with this teal bluish with the terracotta. I think is a really nice, interesting color combination. And then you get the burgundy and the terracotta one and this gray color. And then the last is this toned terracotta with again gray and white, and I added this dirty dusty pink on top. And I'm sure you could probably see that this pink and grey goes really, really well together. So kit number 1. So Fancy Stones. Kit number 2 is called Modern Fairy Tale. Modern because there is a lot of flowers, but like in a more modern way. So I have used these lovely fairies. They're so cute. Look at them. So cute. And then I build flowers and layer them on top. So you get 4 pages. So that with some tags. This is probably my favorite page of this kit. On each tag you have a fairy. So cute. So you get 5 tags the same and 2 tags the slightly bigger. So you've got the fairy and this lovely floral background. Page number 3 it's some embellishment. So you've got some clusters of flowers, and then I put the fairy on top. Oh, they absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then last is a black and white paper. I want to create something that you guys could use like this. And also what you can do, you can color it yourself. So I wanted to give you a versatile page when you can do what you want with it. I left the black and white so you can color it. And I know you can see there is a bit of grey in here. If you get a pastel, any pencil color, it will color it on top. And then, sorry, this is called Modern Fairy Tale. And then the last kit is called Sunflowers Extravaganza. I'll let you guess why. Because it's full of sunflowers. So my VIP, the VIP papers are designed for my VIP members, are designed to give you a lot of thing on the paper. So you get background, you got tags, you got gift boxes, gift tags, etc. So I'll show you the background first. So you have separate backgrounds. Love these. I'll show you in just a moment my favorite page. Some are quite busy, some are quite neutral. This is my favorite. What I wanted to do with this page is create like a little, in my head, it's like, you know, in the garden during the evening time when you got your fairy lights, I wanted to create this fairy lights effect, and I hope I achieved it. You see it? Nah. Yeah, so this is my ultimate favorite page. Some more background. Then you've got a milk carton gift box. So love it, love it, love it. So this milk carton, when you do it up, it looks like this. Oh, something has dropped. So you've got these ones, this 4 square here are the 4 square there. This triangle are those triangles here, and this strip on top will be this one. So when you do it up, it looks like this. So super cute gift box, so you can put anything that you want in it. You've got one page with 3 envelopes. So you've got 2 rectangular envelopes and a scallop envelope, a page full of tags with this gorgeous teal background, turquoise, and last but not least, you got an embellishment page with 2 pockets and a pockets that you can slip things on it. So very complete background. So you've got 13 pages in total. So again, I repeat, so you've got the Sunflowers Extravaganza, the Modern Fairy Tale, and the Fancy Stones. So as you can see from the papers, together we made, oops, I've still got some glue in there. We made up the envelopes, and this is what they look like. In case you guys missed Monday's video, I will put Monday's video linked down below so you guys can go and have a look. I love these mini envelopes. You can either put little coins or sweets, chocolate. This is the scallop envelope. See, it's got this scallop edge. This is what it looks like when it's done up. Then I made 4 thank you cards. They're all very similar. And I also made up the pockets, so I can show you what it looks like. So you just mount it on a piece of cardstock, you cut it in, and you just slide your ephemera, and then on the back there are 2 more side corner pockets. You can either fold it in a half if you wanted to and glue in your page like that. It's completely up to you. Or you can either put some paper clip and have it as a floating pocket on your journal. It's completely up to you. So let me show you the freebies. Now, I talked a lot. Today, guys, you are going to receive this free printable. It's basically a collection of my 4 favorite background of the VIP papers. I put it all into one into one page, so you guys can have 4 different cards background, or even tags, or you can make ATC. You can do what you want. This is my absolutely favorite. This paper here is probably the most, I think it's the best page I think I've ever designed. It's a layer of sunflowers, and then it took me quite a long time, some fairy lights on the back. So you got some yellow and some blue. Hope you can see them. And then you've got 4 more print with the sunflowers. With this, guys, you can honestly do anything that you want. You can either put little pockets or mini pages for your journals, especially if you do like an autumnal journal. Guys, how do you get a freebie? Every Friday, and I'm sorry I say the same thing, this Friday freebie gets attached to my newsletter as a PDF. So I send one email every Friday at 9 p.m. British time, and on the email you see my crafting news for the week. There is my videos of the week, like a recap. Or sometime I put some discount code for my kits on the website if you guys want to purchase it, some discount codes, some offers, etc. And every newsletter there is always a freebie attached to it as a PDF. So you don't have to do anything, you just need to check your emails at Friday 9 p.m. British time. Depends on your privacy settings. Sometimes the freebie can end up in your junk email box or spam email box, how do you want to call it. So I suggest just go there and check in case it ends up there. But yeah, you don't have to do anything. I'll do the hard work for you. You just need to check your email every Friday or Saturday morning when you get up. If you want this freebie, because this freebie is sent out by the time we speak, this freebie is already gone out on a newsletter. If you want this one, and if you want to check the previous freebies for the last few years, join my Facebook group, and I'll just show you in a second how and where to find it. But I just put it together all into one place. About 100 plus or 200 free printables I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years, but again I'll show you in a minute where. But all the details are linked in the info box. Before we go, guys, I just want to say a big thank you to my lovely Shell, my crafty friend Michelle. Michelle is part of the VIP lounge, and Michelle always send me lovely emails and comments and great feedback. Michelle is now my testimonial. I'm not paid her to say nice things. She's just a very genuinely nice person, and I put Michelle's comments on the screen now. Michelle said that she loved the August VIP papers because they were full of butterflies, and Michelle said you never go wrong with butterfly. That is so true, because we love butterflies. So thank you so much, Michelle, for being part of the VIP lounge, and thank you to the 3 lovely ladies that subscribed last week. I just want to shout out is Elaine, Donna, and I got it here, is Jill L. Thank you, ladies, for joining last week. Honestly, your love and support is always much appreciated. Right, let me show you where to find a freebie on my Facebook group. Okay, guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Okay, guys, so I am offering a £5 off discount code to all the existing VIP members. They actually resubscribed for the 2nd year in a row, and I thought it's only fair that if I offer the same coupon code to you guys if you want to join. So yeah, so enjoy £5 off your VIP lounge. Add the kit to the cart and then add the code VIP5, just one word, VIP5 at checkout, and that will take £5 off immediately you subscribe. So just want to take 2 minutes to say thank you so much to Pamela, Rita, Eric. Yes, we have a guy. No, doesn't happen often, but we do have some guys in the group. So yes, and Martha, and all these lovely guys have joined in June, and it's so heartfelt because Martha and I've asked her if I have the permission to share, and she gave me the permission. Martha actually bought the VIP subscription for her friend. So her friend, as a birthday present, so her friend, which I get, of course, I have a detail, will receive the kits, the discount code, and the offer every month for 12 months. Well, I thought, what is a fourth or lovely present? So yeah, just to give you some ideas, you want to treat yourself for your birthday or treat somebody else. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my channel here on YouTube. Guys, if you wish to carry on watching for some more ideas and inspiration, I will put a couple of links on the screen now. One, when we use the exact same kit, the Roman Empire, to create some tags, like circle tags with a little pocket on the front, and I will put the link here. And in the second video, when we made an infinity fold page, I know how much you love that, so I will put both links here on the screen. So if you watch from an Android or iPhone or iPad, simply click on the screen. Guys, thank you so much for watching once again. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.